I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping everything that can lock files. Quit Android Studio, then check Task Manager or Activity Monitor for a DB, emulator, and Gradle processes and terminate them. Once done, make sure to back up your projects and export settings. This saves time if you reinstall later. Also note the SDK path and any custom SDK locations, because the uninstall will not always remove SDKs. Now proceed to remove application files while preventing locked file errors. You now remove the application and the heavy SDK footprint. On Windows, use Settings Apps to uninstall Android Studio. On Mac OS, drag the app to trash. Then delete the Android SDK folder and related hidden folders. Android, Gradle, and Android Studio configuration directories, because they store caches and plugins. Make sure to edit environment variables like Android Home or Android SDK root and remove SDK entries from path. This prevents old tools from lingering and interfering. You finish by hunting down leftovers and confirming a clean state. On Windows, use Registry Editor carefully to remove Android Studio keys. On Mac OS, check /library for plist and caches. Reboot to release file locks, then open a terminal and run a DB and Gradle to ensure they no longer respond. If you still see tools, reinstall the Android SDK Manager, then use its uninstaller, or run the official Android Studio uninstall utility. If problems persist, clear caches and repeat removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.